Hi, welcome back. We want to actually expand a little bit on condition. The conditions used in while and if statements can contain any operators. So let me just make sure this formatting is correct. Can contain any operators, not just comparison. Comparison is greater, smaller, equal, not equal, things like that we talked about. It can also contain operators. What are the operators? We've seen some of these. In, not in. Okay, the other one is or not is not comparison. Now the other thing is that comparison can be chained. For example, A is smaller than B, but it's also equal to C. Test whether A is less than B, and then moreover is B equal to C. You can also combine using the Boolean operators and or, and the outcome of the comparison may be negated with a not. Okay, so there are actually a lot of combinations that you can do with this. So let's just look at some example. So we're unpacking this to string 1, 2, 3. String 1 or string 2 or string 3 is not null. Okay, so if you print that out, what you have here is that you actually have an OR operation. Okay, what exactly is an OR operation? The Boolean operators and or are so-called short-circuit operators. The arguments are evaluated from left to right, and evaluation stops as soon as the outcome is determined. Now, for example, A and C are true, but B is false. A and B and C does not evaluate the expression C at all. So basically, when you actually start from left to right, once A and B is true, all right, then done. Okay, we're not going to look at C at all. So when used as a general value, not as Boolean, the return value of a short circuit operator is the last evaluated argument. So if you look at this, we're storing anything not now, basically not a null number, string 1 or string 2. Okay, now string 1 is empty, but when you have a or string 2 is true, then basically only string 2 will be stored and it won't even test the next one at all, and string 2 will be stored here. Okay, let's stop there. We'll come back to comparing sequences and other types later.